Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this double exposure video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So in this video trend, your photo appears on screen with a cool transition and effects. The transition seems like sand is falling down off your screen. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editing app on your iPhone or your Android phone. You can get it from the App Store or your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download it. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and open up TikTok. Now you're going to tap on search here at the top and you're searching for double exposure Capcut template. Now within the results, you're looking for this black screen videos which are doing the video trend. So go ahead and tap on them. Now within the video, you're looking for this Capcut try this template button, which is just above the username. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now load the template for you and will show you what exactly you're creating. So go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. This will now open up Capcut and will load the template. Tap on use template at the bottom right. Now here you want to select a photo for yourself. Now tap on preview at the bottom right. This will now create the video for you. And as you can see, it's added the transition and some cool effects. So once you're happy, tap on export here at the top right. Then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will now export the video from Capcut and will take it over to TikTok. Now you can add your sound. Choose a trending sound. Then add your text, stickers, or any effects. And once you're happy with the video, tap on next and then post this video to TikTok. So that is how to create the double exposure video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.